Well, I don't usually do unboxing videos, but it's part of the review process I do for my own reference. So if you see this, it's because I thought it would be interesting to see. This is the Sandbox Sandbox R1 Smart Coffee Roaster. I've been waiting quite a while for this because someone stole my review version and refused to give it back. So I had to order another one. The person who stole it liked it so much they weren't going to give it back to me. So this is the cooling tray. In fact, that's a lot more substantial than I expected for a roaster with a stated capacity of 100 grams. That's very interesting. In fact, it's a much larger cooling tray than I expected. Now, the supply cord for this doesn't look like it's got an earth, so it looks like it's a straight fan. Look here and see what it says. Sandbox Smart Cooling Tray, 120 to 220 volts. It's obviously a universal voltage motor. There's nothing, there's no transformer, just a universal computer style fan in there, so not a lot in there. That's the bottom of it, looks alright. And then the metal insert tray. I don't know how much extra this adds to the cost, but I know cooling trays are very handy. Now, looking at this, the motor itself is insulated from the body, so there's a double insulation there. I mean, this isn't CE approved, this particular one, but there will be CE approval before they come in. Now, this box, it was substantial. It was a lot heavier for a supposed 100 gram roaster than I actually thought it was going to be. Go. Well, it certainly feels substantial. Doesn't feel cheap. Feels like there's some weight to it. Door is polymer, probably polycarbonate. There's some tape here securing that. So get that off. That's just transit tape, I guess. And this, what I felt moving, is no doubt the chaff drawer. Yes, it is. So, like a toaster catches the crumbs, I'm assuming the chaff drops into there. But see, there's a handle there, but no lever. So I'm just going to see how this door opens before I attempt to pull it open. Okay, well, it appears the roasting door is just a simple pull open, which is great. This is the roasting drum with its transit tapes. Otherwise, it's a fairly simple roasting drum. Small mesh, which is good. The capacity is a large drum for 100 grams. I bet this can roast more. Well, I'm almost certain this is going to be able to roast more. So, yeah, it's quite well constructed. Looks like stainless, stamped out of stainless steel. And the roaster itself is great for the chaff dropping in. A motor, which is a square drive to fit the drum, and 3 quartz heating elements to one side, a temperature sensor on the right, and what looks like an LED light strip at the back. Very, very simple. Let's see if I can get you a shot inside the roaster so you can see what they've done. I mean, I like simple. Simple is good. Let's just get you a bit lower and a look inside. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see there, but there's the drum drive. To the right, that's the temperature sensor, mustn't touch. That strip at the back will be LED lights. I'm guessing because I haven't read any instructions, and these three elements there will be the quartz heating arm, so I assume infrared quartz. And as the drum turns, it exposes the beans to those elements. There doesn't seem to be a little flap thing here. That's probably an airflow flap when the fan's working. Apart from that, there doesn't seem to be anything else. Very simple design. I think quite a nice design. Like I say, I like simple. To me, simple is good. So, they said something about having to lock a piece in when putting the drum in. So, I assume the drum goes in like that. And then you've got this piece at the bottom, and I can see there's a tab on it that looks like it has to lock centrally like that. That forms your hinge. Close the door, press the button, and you're roasting, and you're controlling it off a mobile phone. Yeah, it looks great. Very simple. Enough weight to give me a little bit of confidence. But overall, yes, very, very happy. So I'm going to give this a try. It's the first thing I want to do. And put some old beans in it and run a few roasts to season it.